Okay, so we'll go to the next chapter, that is exact differential equation, and the first point of that chapter is Bernoulli equation. Okay, so what is the Bernoulli equation? A differential equation of the form y prime p of x. So here one is what, y to the power n is added here. Okay, this is up to this is a linear differential equation. Just we have multiplied here y to the power n. Now what is n? N is any real number other than 0 and 1. N is any real number other than 0 and 1. Okay, so this is called Bernoulli's equation. It is called Bernoulli equation. Now we'll see how to solve this Bernoulli equation. Okay, so this is a differential equation. How to solve? We have to see. Okay, method of solving Bernoulli equation. We'll see how to solve Bernoulli equation. Okay, so the Bernoulli equation is y prime plus p of x times y is equal to f of x y to the power n. Okay, we call this as 1. Okay, we call this as 1. Okay, so n belongs to R other than 0, 1. That means what? We have written minus. That means what? N is not 0, n is not 1. Okay, note that this. Okay, the complementary equation of equation 1 is y prime plus p of x times y is equal to 0. We call this as 2. We call this as 2. Okay, so let y1 of x be a solution of equation 2. Let y1 be the solution. We know how to find the solution of that one, because here now p of x is not given. So just we will write y1 of x is the solution of equation 2. So therefore what? Therefore y1 prime plus p of x y1 is equal to 0. We call this as 3. Call this as 3. Now we are interested to find the solution of equation 1. We are interested to find solution of equation 1. Okay, so put y is equal to uy1. Put y is equal to uy1 in 1. Okay, in 1. So what we have to find in y prime and this. Okay, so y prime is equal to u prime y1 plus u y1 prime. Okay, so 1 implies now. 1 implies. We'll put this in 1. Okay, so your y prime got u prime y1 plus u y1 prime. Plus p of x y1. P of x y1. P of x y. Y is what? uy1 plus f of x u to the power n y1 to the power n. Okay, y1 to the power n. Okay, so we'll do this. Okay, u prime y1. Okay, plus we will take u common. So this is what? y1 prime plus p of x y1 is equal to f of x u raised to n y1 raised to n. Okay, now what is this? This is y1 prime plus p of x. Okay, so from 3 we get u prime y1 is equal to f of x u raised to n y1 raised to n. This value is 0. This is y1 prime plus p of x y1. This value is 0. Okay, so now this is u prime and this un here. Okay, so we write this what? 1 upon u. This is variable separable form now. 1 upon u, 1 upon u prime. Okay, so this is what then f of x y1 to the power n minus 1, y1 to the power n minus 1. Okay, so this is what then 1 by u f of x y1 raised to n minus 1. Y1, this is the function of x only. Okay, so y1 is what? Y1 of x. This is a function of x only. So these are the function of x only. Okay, so 1 by u du is equal to f of x y1 raised to n minus 1 dx. Okay, this gives this. You can integrate this. Okay, so if you know the f of x and this y1, then you can integrate this. And if you put y is equal to what, then if you put u is equal to this y upon y1, so you will get the solution. This gives solution of equation 1, in terms of u and x. Okay, by substituting u is equal to y upon y1, we get required general solution of equation 1 in terms of y and x. Okay, so this is the method. Just we have explained the method how to solve the Bernoulli equation. Okay, so you should remember what is the Bernoulli equation. You should remember what is. Okay, we'll see how to solve this equation now. Okay, solve the Bernoulli equation y prime minus y is equal to xy square. Okay, solution. They will say only the solve the equation. Okay, so they will not say solve the Bernoulli equation. Okay, so we'll do this. Okay, given that. Okay, so y prime minus y is equal to xy square. We call this as 1. What we have to do? We have to find the solution of the complementary equation. Okay, the complementary equation of equation 1 is y prime minus y is equal to 0. Okay, comparing this equation with y prime plus p of x times y is equal to 0. Or you may find the solution by any other method. This is a variable separable form. You can find the equation in this. Okay, so okay, I will tell you this how to solve this without using this. Okay, so p of x is what? Minus 1. Okay, so phi of x is integration of p of x p dx. Okay, p of x dx. Okay, so this is what? Integration of minus 1 dx. So this is what? Minus x. So y is equal to y1 is equal to, okay, so e raised to minus 5x. So this is what? E raised to x is a solution of we'll call this as 2 now, is a solution of equation 2 or solution of 2. Okay, so let y is equal to u e raised to x. Y is equal to u e raised to x. Okay, so we'll take this. So here also you can do this. You see, y prime is equal to y now. So y means what? Dy by dx is equal to y. Okay, so we'll write this is 1 by y. Dy is equal to dx. So this log y is equal to x now. So y is equal to e raised to x. In this way also you can obtain the solution. No need to use this also. See, this is the e raised to x, you get this. Okay, so directly by variable separable form, if it is possible by the variable separable form, you can find a solution of that equation also. Okay, so let y is equal to, always write this, y is equal to e raised to ux, y is equal to x. Okay, so y prime y prime is equal to u prime e raised to x u e raised to x. Okay, because what here your derivative of u prime e raised to x is u as it is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Now we'll put in 2 now, 1. Okay, so 1 implies that. Okay, so u prime e raised to x plus u e raised to x minus y. Minus y means u e raised to x. This is equal to x. This is x. Y square. Y square means what? U square e raised to twice x. Now we have to solve this equation. We have to solve this equation. Okay. So now your value of u is what? Y e raised to minus x. Your value of u is what? Just I am writing here because if I erase this, no problem then. Okay. So value of okay. So that we will discuss later on this. Okay. Now here what? This get cancelled. This is what? U prime e raised to x is equal to. This get cancelled. See that. This is x u square e raised to twice x. Okay. So what I will do? I will shift this u square here. 1 by u square du, because u prime is nothing but du by dx. Du by dx. This e raised to x, e raised to get cancelled. So this is e raised to x dx now. Okay. Now we'll integrate this. Integration of 1 upon u square du. Integration of e raised to x dx. Okay. Here you have to apply the by part now. Okay. So this is u raised to minus 1. So u raised to minus 2. So minus 1 upon minus 1. Minus 1 upon minus 1. Okay. So now here what? You have to use the LIATE. LIATE rule. L for logarithm, I for inverse, because we have to apply the by part there. Because this is a product of two functions, substitution is not available. Okay. So algebraic function we have to take outside. Okay. This is integration of b to the power dx minus minus integration of dy dx of x into integration of e raised to x dx dx. Okay. So this is the by part. So here what you have to take the derivative which you have taken outside. Okay, and this integration as it is, you have to integrate the product. This is your usual by part now. This is what? Minus 1 upon u. So this is x e raised to x minus. So derivative of this is 1. So integration of e raised to x is, this total term is e raised to x and integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. I will write here plus c because integration is not there. So I will add one constant. So 1 by u, minus 1 by u. So minus 1 by y e raised to minus x, x e raised to x minus e raised to x plus c. Okay. So this is the general solution. It will be the general solution of this. You may multiply by this. This is what? Minus 1 by y. So this is what? X e raised to twice x minus e raised to twice x plus c e raised to x. And you can take the reciprocal. So y is equal to 1 upon. I will shift the minus sign also there. E raised to twice x minus x e raised to twice x minus c e raised to x. So this is the solution. Next we will take the next problem. Solve Bernoulli's equation y prime plus y is equal to y square. Solve Bernoulli's equation. Okay. Solution. Given that well this is 1. Okay. So complementary equation of equation 1 is y prime plus y is equal to 0. We call this as 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So I can write this y prime is equal to minus y. dy by dx is equal to minus y. So 1 by y dy is equal to minus dx. Okay, so log y is equal to minus x. Okay, so y is equal to e raised to minus x. Okay, so therefore y1 is equal to e raised to minus x is a solution of equation 2, because this is easy. So we want only a solution. Okay, so put y is equal to u y1 of x. So that is what u e raised to minus x. Okay, so now y prime is equal to u prime e raised to minus x, u e raised to minus x. Because derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into derivative of minus x is minus 1. So therefore this is minus 1. Okay, now 1 implies. Okay, so 1 implies. So we have to put this in 1. Okay, so y prime is equal to u prime e raised to minus x minus u e raised to minus x plus y, plus your y is what? Your y, this is y, u e raised to minus, don't use this y, this is your y1. So this is what? Plus u e raised to minus x is equal to y square. You have to take the square of this one. This what? U square e raised to minus twice x. Okay, this get cancelled now. So this is what? U prime e raised to minus x is equal to u square e raised to minus twice x. Okay, so now this is what then? U prime is what? Du. U prime is du by dx. This e raised to minus x get cancelled. So this is 1 upon u square. Du is equal to e raised to minus x dx. Okay, integrating this 1 upon u square, du is equal to e raised to minus x dx. So this is what? Minus 1 upon u, because derivative of 1 by u is minus 1 by u square. Okay, minus 1 by u square. So integration of 1 by u square is minus 1 by u. So this is what? E raised to minus x upon minus 1. Minus c I will write, because all are this. Okay, so u is equal, 1 by u is equal to okay, e raised to minus x plus c. Okay, so now I'll put the value. Okay, I'll take u is equal to, therefore u is equal to 1 upon e raised to minus x plus c. Okay, so what is u? U is here. U is what? Just we have to shift e raised to x. So y e raised to x. Is equal to 1 upon e raised to minus x plus c. Okay, so if you don't want this e raised to x, so I can write this is equal to multiply by e raised to x. So e raised to x upon 1 plus c e raised to x. So you can cancel that. This is what? 1 upon 1 plus c e raised to x. If you want to simplify, you can this. Okay, otherwise keep as it is now here. You may write this is 1 by u as it is here. Just write your 1 upon y e raised to x. Okay, you can keep this as it is. Okay, but you should replace u in terms of y and x. Okay, so we'll do one more problem on it. Okay, so y prime minus twice y, x y can. Okay, solve y0, y of 0 is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, so here what the crucial part is, okay, so we call this as 1. Y of 0 is equal to 2 root 2 is given to you. Okay, so the complementary equation of equation 1 is y prime minus twice y is equal to 0. We call this as 2. Okay, so we'll write this is what? Y means what? Dy by dx. Y prime is dy by dx is equal to twice y. I'll shift this y here and I'll write twice x dx. Okay, so this is what? Log y is equal to twice x. So y is equal to e raised to twice x. Okay, so therefore y1 is equal to e raised to twice x is solution of equation 2. Only we want a solution. We don't want a general solution. Okay, so no need to write that phi of x and so on. Okay, because it is easy to find this. Okay, so therefore we are doing this. Okay, now put y is equal to u e raised to twice x. This is your y1. Okay, so what is write y1? Okay, so what is y prime then? Y prime is equal to u prime e raised to twice x plus twice u e raised to twice x, because derivative of e raised to twice x is 2, so I have written 2 here. Okay, so now your 1 implies. Okay, so I'll erase all those things. So I'll write just your y is what? Just here I am writing here y, u e raised to twice x. Okay, so to put u in terms of y, there I want that only. Okay, so now your 1 implies. What is your y prime? So u prime e raised to, do all the calculations carefully, minus twice y minus twice u e raised to twice x is equal to x y cube. So u cube e raised to 6x now, e raised to 6x. Okay, so now these get cancelled, Okay, so this is what then, u prime x u cube e raised to 6x. So yeah, minus twice x now, because you don't want e raised to twice x, so you have divided this twice x. Okay, now this is what, du, this is 1 upon u cube, du is equal to x e raised to 4x dx, 4x dx. Now we have to integrate this. Okay, so this is u to the power minus 3. Okay, integrate this. Okay, u to the power minus 3. Okay, so this is what, u to the power minus 2 upon minus 2. Now here you have to use the by part. This is integration of 4x dx minus integration of d by dx of x e raised to 4x dx. Okay, we'll do neatly. So this is what, minus 1 upon 2 u square. Okay, so this is what, x e raised to 4x upon 4 minus e raised to 4x upon 4 dx. Okay, so this is minus 1 upon twice u square. Okay, so u is what then? U is equal to, okay, just we will simplify this. Minus 1 upon twice u square is equal to x e raised to 4x upon 4 minus e raised to 4x upon 16. I write here plus, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now this is what, minus 1 upon twice u. U is what, y upon e raised to twice x bracket square is equal to x e raised to 4x upon 4 e raised to 4x upon 16 plus c. So just simplify this only. Okay, so this is what then, minus e raised to 4x now upon twice y square is equal to x e raised to 4x by 4 minus e raised to 4x upon 16 plus c. Okay, so you can keep this as it is. We'll call this as a 3 now. Okay, we want to find a value of c now. Okay, so put x is equal to, what is the value of c for what we have given? Y, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, put x is equal to 0, y is equal to, so this is what, minus 1 upon this is 2, the square of this one is what, 4 into 2 is 8, so this is 16 now, this is 16, this is 0, this is minus 1 by 16, this is minus 1 by 16 and plus c. So therefore what, c is equal to 0, so c is equal to 0. Okay, so this is correct. So I hope that you understand how to solve Bernoulli equation. We have solved 3 problems on it. Okay, so just what the part is the crucial word. The to find a y1 is not a crucial now. So put y is equal to just u into that and just simplify this. At least do up to this what variable separable form. At least you should do. So problem of the integration is there now. Okay. So but there are no complicated functions. Easily you can integrate that function. Okay. So I hope that you understand this one. We'll stop here. Thank you.